Hello and welcome, guys. In today's video, we'll walk you through how the offline mode feature works in Vitepos. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you're already part of the community, thank you for your continued support. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Vitepos admin panel, then go to the Settings module and click on the Basic Settings tab. Here, you'll find the offline order setting. By default, it's disabled. Enable it and save your settings. Next, open the Vitepos Pause panel. While you're connected to the internet, you'll see all available modules. Now, let's disconnect the internet. Once offline, only 3 modules remain accessible. Pause module, Orders module, Barcode generator module. Note, you cannot log into the pause while offline. However, if you're already logged in and then lose internet connection, you can continue using offline mode. Let's create a few offline orders as an example. We'll go ahead and complete 3 orders while offline. Important note: if you refresh or reload the pause tab while offline, you won't be able to place additional orders. Wait until the internet reconnects to resume full functionality. Now, switch to the Orders tab. You'll see all the offline orders listed. Let's reconnect the internet. Once reconnected, all offline orders will automatically sync. These orders will also appear in the sales history, marked with a prefix indicating they were completed offline. And that's how Vitepos offline mode works. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.